The Runner is the perfect tool to help you run long, narrow strips. It's always a good idea to make at least 4 parallel scores. For this demonstration, I will mark off 8 lines that are 1/4 inch apart, then use a straight edge to score all 8 lines before breaking any of them. Set the directional knob on The Runner to align with the vertical straight line score. Then place it on the score that is furthest from the edge and squeeze until the entire piece breaks away from the main glass. This next step will demonstrate why it's always a good idea to make parallel scores in multiples of 4. We are going to break this piece in half by using The Runner on the center score, then break the next 2 pieces in half, then break the final pieces in half to create the 1/4 inch wide strips. Always start on the center score. Squeeze the handles gently to run the entire length of the score. When we get to the final scores to make the 1/4 inch wide strips, we'll start the run from one end, then move to the other end to finish it. When running these narrow strips, it's even more important to squeeze the runner handles gently, because if you squeeze too aggressively, one of these narrow strips could easily break off before the run reaches the end of the score. But what if you only needed one long narrow strip? Well, The Runner can do that too. Score a 1/4 inch strip, the full length of your glass. Then set the directional knob to the horizontal position. Now place The Runner at one end of the score and squeeze gently to just start the run. Then move The Runner to the other end of the score and squeeze gently to start the run from that end. Finally, move The Runner to the center and squeeze gently until the long narrow strip breaks away from the main glass.